Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Homicipher, guys. As you can see, I got it here on my PC, the game, guys, and I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get a copy of the game, guys, for free if you want to play the game, guys. And in this video I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also how to do it, guys. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. Just make sure you follow the video until the end. I'm going to share with you how actually I got the copy of the game for free so you can do it also if you want to play the game. Okay, so guys, before we start the whole thing, I just need to mention to you, all you have to do, guys, you just need to grab your phone on your hand, and I'm going to show you that how you actually can get this copy of the game for free. So basically, guys, you're going to get a game code which you can redeem after the game, guys, on your PC. Okay, so basically, guys, all you have to do, follow the video until the end. I'm going to share to you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it. Okay, so me, I got my game code, guys, through SMS. So if you decide also to get it by text, it's going to look like this. It says, congratulations, the task has been completed successfully. This is a game code which is one-time use. I already use it. So if you want to copy and to use this one, it will not work because I already did it. Here's your Homicipher game code from Coupon Finder. So basically I went to this site, guys, which I'm going to share also the rest of the steps. So make sure you read it correctly and spell it correctly. So once you're gonna enter here, guys, you can just use the searching bar. It's pretty simple to do it. Just type and here it will come. You press on it, sorry. And here it comes the next page. You have the information over here, and you just need to press show coupon code and then unlock the code, guys. You just need to wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to get completed until the end, guys, and then it's going to redirect you to another page when it is required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. It's very simple to do it, guys. You just need to read the instructions. Anyway, I'm going to share to you the steps as well. So now that it got completed, it's going to take you to this page, guys, where you have the information here on the top, and it says to download the complete 2 apps below in order to unlock Homicipher game code. And down it says after completing the task, enter your phone number, email above to receive the code. As you saw with me, I got it by text because I put my phone number. If you want, you can put your email. This is on your own choice, guys, how do you want to get it. And an important note here is that do not use VPN or proxy when you do this process, because otherwise it will fail. So all you have to do, guys, you just need to scroll it down the list below. As you can see, you have different apps over here, and all the apps are for free. As you can see, you don't have to do anything that has to be paid, and all the apps are from App Store and Play Store, so there is nothing outside of official stores, guys. All the apps are from official stores, Play Store and App Store. So all you have to do, you just need to choose 2 of these 2 apps to complete as a task, and then you just come after and put here the email or SMS and send it, and they're gonna send to you the code after you complete correctly. Okay, so how it works, guys, try to choose 2 of the apps which they are more simple for you, so you don't have to lose too much time. And what you have to do, you need to read the instruction, because different apps have different instructions. Okay, as you can see, they have all different instructions, so make sure you read it correctly so before you complete it. Me, for example, I did Flip Sports. It was very simple. I just needed to install and to open the game. It took me like 45 seconds at all. And I did also TikTok, which it says just to download the app and run for 30 seconds. So it's very simple apps to do it. But guys, make sure that the apps you're gonna choose, that you don't have it downloaded before on your device. I'm saying this because TikTok is a very popular app. Me, I was not using TikTok before. So if you want to do TikTok, make sure you didn't have it downloaded before on your device. If you have already TikTok, then don't do TikTok, do another app which you don't have downloaded before. So like this, it will work. Okay, so how it works, once you're going to choose what you have to do, you just press on it and then unlock now. It's going to redirect you to App Store in the case you're using iOS, or Play Store in the case if you're using Android device. It doesn't matter the device that you have, guys. You can use iPhone, you can use Android. It's totally fine because the steps are going to be the same. So to me, it shows open. As you see, the task for this app, it was just to download the app and just to open it, guys, the app for a couple of seconds. So I did this one, and then after I did this one, Flip, I did also TikTok. And then if you go back, here's Flip and TikTok as well. The same steps, press on it and then unlock now. And then again, it will show me to go to App Store, Play Store if you use Android, to open and so on. So guys, after I did both of these 2, I came here, put my phone number, all right, and I submitted. And after I submit, a couple of minutes after they verified I did everything correctly, they just send me the text, guys, with the code. So basically, guys, this is it. I hope it was helpful, useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.